Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Christina at Homeschool and Grace, and today's video is a math update. It's been a while since I've talked about math, and so I thought I probably should give you all an update where we're at. So I have a box to share with you, an unboxing video. So this is really exciting, and then I thought I would tell you a bit about what our plan is for math. So let's dive into the box. And I'll be honest, we already got into the box because I needed to start using it right away. So it's already been opened. Oh, and I thought I put everything back in the box. I didn't. I missed. So, okay, so we'll pretend that I just took this out of the box, okay? Okay, so this is for my second grader. We decided to go to Matthew C for her beta. So I was using Matthew C with my oldest daughter, and I just really like the flow of it. And so I decided just to stick my second grader into Matthew C as well. And so we are going to start using that. So beta, she's already done 2 lessons, and she's on to her 3rd lesson, and she's really enjoying it. And we already had done beta with my oldest a couple years ago, maybe last year, I can't even remember. So my second grader loves math, so this is a really good. She just is able to breeze through it, and then she likes that it has a test, so then she really feels accomplished, like, okay, I completed that lesson, I can go to the next. So that is where we are at with her. Okay, so for my oldest daughter, she's finishing up Gamma. We're struggling a little still with math facts, a couple of them, and like having to skip count, so I decided they have this new program called Accelerated Individualized Mastery for multiplication, and then it's got a bridge into division. So I looked at this for just a minute. I haven't gone that much into it. It's pretty affordable, and so I thought, why not just give it a try to see if it will be a help for her. So the videos are all online for this, and then they take a test at the beginning to see where they're at, and then they have a goal, like what is their goal for it. So like to increase recall of basic multiplication facts, to stop finger counting, to learn new ways to recall multiplication facts, to improve confidence in math. You know, there's a bunch of them. Or they can put in their own goals. And then there's like why to use it, and the videos, and a roadmap. What else? And then you hop into the sessions. So the sessions then, my kids got into this, so my papers got all mixed up already, but it comes with all these, oh, that's upside down, different cards that she'll use to memorize them. And I'll be honest, I was terrible memorizing my math facts, but you know, I was in the public school, so I just kept getting pushed ahead, and it really made me struggle in math because I never mastered a concept before I went to the next one. They just kept like, okay, next one. And so for her, I really want her to be able to master at least her multiplication facts so that she feels confident in going into division, and then, you know, next. So this is that portion, and then also it came with blocks, and they already got into all these and mixed them in with our other ones, so I don't even know if this is the exact set. But they were pretty excited. I mean, they love building with these and putting them together. So, yeah. So we already got into that portion. Okay, so that was the accelerated math. And then I also got her the whole Delta package because she will be going to that next. Oh, it's so heavy. So I got to get the whole set for Delta because we don't have any of the pieces to that. So it came with the instruction book, student workbook, tests, and then the video, which we love. And it's super helpful for me to teach because, like I said, I always struggled with math, and really, Mr. Demi, he makes it really like easy for the parent to teach as well because I can visualize it. I'm a visual learner as well, so Matthew C, hence. So this is our plan for this end of the school year, the last, I guess, 6 months maybe. I shouldn't say 6 months. It's not 6 months. The second half of the school year. So we're really excited about it. I will show maybe some update videos if you guys are interested about math specifically. I know this is a new program they have, so I don't know if you'd be interested in seeing more how this goes. We're finishing up Gamma, and then we'll go to this. So it might be a little bit, and this might be like summer work to then get to division. That's what I'm kind of thinking it will be. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Alrighty, so let me know what you're using for math, what works well for you guys. Math is so that thing that like just you gotta find that right fit for your family. So let me know where you are at and what you're using. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope to see you at the next video. Alright, thanks. Bye-bye.